Today we're going to look at how to fix a dim light in this model GE refrigerator, which is right here. And notice inside of this refrigerator, the lights at the top are dim. This one is completely out. And the one at the bottom is also dim. So what I suspect is that this light or the board is bad itself. So we're going to try to access that first. Now to get access to this, you might want to use a flathead screwdriver or maybe a plastic prying tool or even something like a credit card that would get in there. I would like a plastic tool. I'd prefer it over a regular metal screwdriver to prevent it from scraping it up. So I've already loosened this, so this will pop right off pretty easily. This is the cover. Just going to set it on the counter. And from here, you can access this LED board and just unplug it from its connector. And then you'll notice that these lights go out when that happens. And on the back of this board, there's a QR code. Now scanning that QR code will take you to a link where you can find the part. And so I did that, and I found the part available on Amazon for next day shipping. We'll include a link at the bottom. And I was able to get the replacement part pretty quickly. It just came in the next day. And it came in this anti-static bag, which I've already cut open. I can take it out. But one thing that this part is missing are these standoffs, these white standoffs. So you'll notice that they're flanged out, and so you can use a tool like pliers to kind of squeeze it, and then just you want to pop them off. Okay, after we put the standoffs back into the new board, you might want to use something like a small jeweler's flathead screwdriver to expand the flanged ends out so that it stays secure on the board before we put it back in. Once we do that, we can connect it same way that it came off. It just slips right on. And now we can mount it. There's a couple of holes where these standoffs will sit. And it goes in there nice and secure. Now we want to put the cover back on. Notice that the shape of it does matter. Right up at the top, there's some clips that'll line up with these holes. It's not perfectly centered, so it's important that you line it up correctly. You do that, and it just snaps right back on. And now your fridge is as good, isn't it? Good luck.